bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat.
What's up, y'all? It's me, Aubrey. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my space. Today we're doing our Sunday reset day. And I literally have been asleep for like the whole weekend. The gym, we're gonna do some groceries, some cleaning up, and just getting myself together, snatching my soul up. While we are on the topic of raw vegan, I would just like to say on camera for the people, for everybody, including myself, that this is probably the last year of me doing this type of fast. I've been doing raw vegan for the past 3 or 4 years for like the month of January. And in the past, it's been like hit or miss on whether or not it was like practical for me. And this year just didn't really feel that practical. I'm proud of myself for doing it. My skin is clearing up. I've dropped 5 pounds. I feel lighter. But it's just the area that I'm in. It's a lot, but I'm not gonna give any excuses. I'm just gonna say like the type of fasting that I do will change. We gotta scope the scenery out. Need that H2O. Y'all know how sometimes I'm rambling, but y'all know how sometimes it's like, oh, A, B, and C about my personality is like my downfall. Like maybe I'm not too confident enough, or I don't assert myself enough. For me, I don't be recording or doing nothing because I am always asleep. And I've been a sleepyhead all my life. Like, it's nothing new, it's nothing. I just got my blood work done. The nutrients are there. But I just, okay, also, I've done sports all my life, so my knees are shot. My knees are no longer big. I do not have mega knees, baby. I either do some lidocaine or some Tiger Balm. Also, I need some new workout clothes. Also, I need to shave my legs.
Got a month of cold because the kid the coldest. Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bright, this niggas like getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, it's out of the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody close. Lost 100% effort for everyone.
My sister, I just found out that she's having a baby boy. We found out the gender, so now I can't stop walking around the house saying it was never giving girl. It was never giving girl. But nah, ever since she told me she was pregnant, I just was having dreams about like a baby boy. So I'm so ready to see him so I can see if he looks just like how he did in my dream when he showed up twice. Yeah, it's so cold out here. But when it warms up and I get on my sundress season, that's why we had to hit that gym. Sundress, yada, yada. I'm going to need some little accents and beads and feathers and, you know, adornment for my locks. So if you know anybody who has some good lock adornment, let me know, because right now it's giving non-binary. No disrespect. But yeah, I'm about to make a smoothie. Then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. So let's make the smoothie first. Shaky, shaky, shaky. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore y'all with the grocery haul. I will do some food prep later, and that's when you'll see. But I did get a few things from Amazon, so let's do an Amazon haul. First things first, I already know what this is. I'm super excited. Guys, I got a trapeze. Hold on now. This thing better get tall. All right, y'all. I was being a brat earlier. I was so ready to just dump my new tripod back in the box and send it right back to Amazon, because I was like, this ain't no 50 inches, baby. It's giving more like 3. But I didn't put the legs up, so this is actually the height of it. So it is pretty tall. I wish it was taller. And girl, now we need to figure out the light situation. So if y'all have any recommendations for some good lighting, because my apartment not giving, please drop it down below. I did end up shopping at TJ Maxx, and when I left the house, I said I was gonna do just a little bit of shopping, but I a little bit did a lot. $15. I wasn't saying no. I was not saying no. Got a little heel. You just gotta have some boots in the city. If you're a city girl, you gotta have boots. But yeah, I got some cute jeans. They stretchy, they a good color. I need some jeans, so we got that. I got some yoga pants, which I have the exact same ones in a lavender color. So I love this olive green. I got these basic tees. It was like 2 in a pack, but one is this gray color and one is plain white. But this is stretchy material, get good cotton. And yeah, I just need some like clean basic tees for like when I'm going to the gym, when I'm just hanging out. So I got some socks that actually come up on my foot a little bit, because when you wear boots and you trying to wear them anklets, baby, they slide down. Y'all, this is the part of Sunday reset day that is just irritating to me. And I don't want to say irritating, because I'm so grateful just to be able to buy nourishing foods for myself and foods that I like and I want to eat. So I'm very thankful. But one of the ways that I prepare for having a good week is to go ahead and wash my produce and just get them in containers so that they're easily accessible. So it does take a little bit of time, but by doing this on the forefront, I just ensure that my produce stays good and that I can like munch on some stuff during the week. So I'm about to do that, and I'll pick the camera back up when we are all set and prepped. What's up, y'all? It's currently 7:50, so it took me a little over an hour to finish up my prep for the week. But I just want to run down with y'all everything that I prepped. Things first, I did juice a bunch of fruits and vegetables. This is celery juice, this is orange apple ginger juice, and then I have 2 celery and grape juices. All of my fruit is washed, so just oranges and apples, regular stuff. Carrots that I washed, sweet carrots. Some really juicy blackberries. They are so good. Some grapes that I cleaned. Like I said, just grab and go. I also made this cilantro ginger lime shot. Woo, scared of that. Put my dates in a can, my hemp seeds in a can. And then as far as prepared foods, I made this Asian flavored coleslaw. So it has like sesame oil, rice vinegar, a little bit of cilantro, some nori. It's really good. I already tasted it. And then I have these kelp noodles. Now, I will say, I was skeptical about the kelp noodles as well. That's something that you can have on a raw vegan diet. But y'all, I mixed that with a little bit of lemon, garlic, and oil, and it is so good. So I can have the kelp noodles by themselves solo, or I can add a little bit of avocado or maybe like some jackfruit in the week, or even put like a little marinara sauce or what have you. But prepping these early just allows the flavor to marinate. I also put a little bit of hemp seeds in there, a whole bunch of seasonings. So they have like a lemon garlicky flavor. It's real good. So yeah, all in all, I would say that this was a pretty dope Sunday. I am ready to relax. I'm about to close out this vlog. But before I do, we gotta put our flowers on our altar. I got some roses and some baby's breath. Now, I used to call myself or refer to myself as the rose that grew from concrete. And so when I seen these today, I was like, oh, I gotta give me some roses. So yeah, here's my little bouquet that I put together. And additionally, we have our quote of the week, which y'all probably can't see, but it says, nobody does it like me. And on that note, peace out.
We've been dancing for so long.